Hey everybody, it's your girl Lucky My Kitty Gager. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today this is the new Rare Monday update. What? So guys, today is the Monday, So guys, today is Monday, which means Rare Monday. Let's go check it out. Alright, let's log in. Wait for this to load. Alright, making a friend, adopt a pet today, decorating parties, hunting for treasure. Perfect. Oh boy, let me just do that. Okay, guys, I just want to let you know I already logged in, but I have no clue what on earth the Random Monday is. So let's go check it out. All right, let's go to Gemma Township. This room is full. No, my buddy is in there. I don't know who though. Oh, thanks. Okay, let's go see. All right, if they're at their den, I'm going to freak out. Or if they are at someone's. I hate that gym doesn't work. But ooh, claw. Third birthday cake! Rip headphone users. They are at someone's den. I'm going to freak out. Bye. Go, go. Well, that was close. All right, let's try. All right, let's go. Tigress, tigress, perfect. No. All right, let's go. Let's go check out the new. Let's go check out the Red Monday. Probably won't be able to buy it, so I'm gonna have to go on my other account and buy it. Probably. Where is it? Alright, let's see. What? Where is it? What? Alright, sorry about that, guys. Where is it? Was it? No. Alright, so I guess it's not here. Let's go see if it's in Coral Canyons. Alright, go in here. Alright, I literally can't afford anything in here. So if it's in here, I'm going to freak out. What? What? Okay, hold on a second. This is not okay. This is like, wait, today is Monday, right? Hold on. Yeah, today is Monday. Did I almost like forget about the Rare Monday or something? Where is it? Alright, hold on. I can't. I just can't. I don't know where else it could be. I mean, like, it wouldn't. Wait, once it was. I forgot that once it was, in the deep blue. I think that's dead items. Right, let's see. Are these clothing items? Nope, these are not clothing items. What game is this? Oh, Phantom's Treasure. Ew, spooky. Right, if I can't find it, I'm going to go onto Instagram. And okay, you know what? I can't find it. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Alright. Let me see. Nope, that is not how you spell animal doom. What? Animal doom. Oh, nice one. They did not post. Alright, here it is. With fall just around the corner, we're all in need of some fabulous fashion to help with the transition. Look no further than the fantastic rims, the rare silk scarf and animal jam, and the rare designer scarf. Oh, alright. So, I don't know where they are, because I can't find them anywhere. It was in, alright, it's in the Cocoa Hut. Alright, don't worry about that, guys. I have a son, and he's a ladybug, and his name is Edward. It's in the Cocoa Hut. Alright. It's in the Cocoa Hut. It's in the Cocoa Hut. Alright, let's go see. Where is it? Is it still in here? Great. I don't think I could afford. I don't think I could afford anything in here. What? Why is it not in here? What? I am so confused. Why is it not in here? Alright, guys. So I just looked up on YouTube where it was because I give up and I gotta change my character. But I saw it was in Jamar Township or in Jamart Clothing. I need to get there. I need to get there. Okay. I wonder if I passed it, unless it's too late. It was not too late. There it is. And of course, I don't have enough money for it, so I'm going to log out, and get into my other account. This is the one that I use when Lucky My Kitty Cat doesn't have a membership. I use this one. So, yeah. Spin, and I have the card over there for Animal Jam, AJHQ or whatever. Let's go here. The amazing. She probably forgot about me. Oh, isn't that wonderful? 150. I think that's enough, but I don't quite remember. Right, let's go get the Red Monday. Not the rare Monday. And I still don't have enough money for it, but it looks really snazzy. But since we found it, it's good. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!